Hey everyone! Welcome back to the English Learning Channel, where learning English is easy and fun. I'm Emily.
And I'm Ethan. Today we're doing something super fun, a shadowing practice.
If you're new here, shadowing means you listen to a sentence and repeat it right after, copying the rhythm, the stress, and the pronunciation.
It's one of the best ways to improve your speaking and listening at the same time. And today we've got 50 sentences for you.
We're going to practice 50 useful English sentences for ordering food.
These are sentences you can actually use in a real restaurant.
All right, are you ready to practice?
Before we start, let me explain one simple thing. You don't need to memorize anything today. Just listen to us. And when we pause, repeat the sentence out loud.
Exactly. Imagine that you're actually inside a restaurant with us. We'll have a natural conversation and you'll practice the useful English phrases along the way.
And here's the important part. Don't just repeat the words. Try to copy the way we say them, our pronunciation, rhythm, and tone.
Even if you make a mistake, keep going. The more you speak, the more comfortable you'll become.
All right, let's imagine we're walking into a restaurant right now.
The door opens, we walk inside, and a waiter comes over to greet us.
Okay, Emily, you're the customer first. What would you say?
I'd smile and say, "Hi, we'd like a table for two, please."
That's perfect. Now let's practice that together.
We'd like a table for two, please.
We'd like a table for two, please.
Now it's your turn. Imagine you're standing at the restaurant entrance.
Great. Let's say it one more time, but this time, a little more naturally. We'd like a table for two, please.
We'd like a table for two, please. Now your turn.
Excellent. That's how we're going to practice throughout this video.
We'll continue the restaurant situation step by step, and you'll get plenty of chances to speak. So don't just watch the video, speak with us.
Now, the waiter shows us a table, but we'd really like to sit near the window because the view is beautiful.
That's easy. We can ask politely, "Can we sit by the window?"
Repeat after me. Can we sit by the window? Your turn.
Very good. Notice that you can use this question in many places, not just restaurants. And now we've taken our seats. Ethan, what's the first thing we need?
The menu! I can't choose my food if I don't know what's available.
Exactly. We can politely ask the waiter for two menus. Listen to this useful phrase. Could we have two menus, please?
Could we have two menus, please? Your turn.
Nice job.
Okay, I have the menu now. But there are so many choices burgers, pasta, chicken, rice.
And you don't know what to choose?
Exactly. I need some help.
Then ask the waiter a simple question. What do you recommend?
What do you recommend?
Now you say it.
Excellent. This is one of the most useful restaurant questions because you can use it when you don't know what to order.
And sometimes restaurants have a special meal for the day. So you can also ask, what is today's special?
What is today's special?
Now you say it.
I think I found something I want.
What is it?
This chicken dish looks delicious, but there's one problem.
What's the problem?
I don't like very spicy food.
Then you definitely need to ask before ordering, is this dish spicy?
Is this dish spicy? Your turn. Is this dish spicy?
Great. And if the food is spicy but you still want it, you can ask the waiter to make it less spicy. Could you make it less spicy, please?
Could you make it less spicy, please? Your turn.
That's much better than ordering something and discovering later that it's too spicy.
Exactly. Ask first.
There is another thing you might want to know about your food.
The ingredients?
Yes. For example, maybe you don't eat cheese. You could ask, does this dish contain cheese?
Does this dish contain cheese?
Your turn.
And if you don't want onions in your meal, you can say, "Could you leave out the onions, please?"
Could you leave out the onions, please?
Your turn.
Very good. Okay, I think we've asked enough questions. I'm ready to order.
Me too. Let's practice how to order naturally.
I'll go first. I'd like the chicken burger, please.
I'd like the chicken burger, please.
Excellent. I'm going to order grilled chicken. Listen, I'll have the grilled chicken, please.
I'll have the grilled chicken, please.
Great. Both I'd like, and I'll have our natural ways to order food.
And here's another useful one. Maybe you want a salad with your meal. Can I get a side salad, please?
Can I get a side salad, please?
And maybe you really love fries.
Maybe?
Okay, I definitely love fries.
Then you can say, I'd like some fries with that, please.
I'd like some fries with that, please.
Our food is ordered, but we're forgetting something important. Our drinks.
Exactly. I'm really thirsty.
What would you like?
A glass of orange juice sounds perfect.
I'd like a glass of orange juice, please.
I'd like a glass of orange juice, please.
I'll have water. Nothing fancy today. Can I have a bottle of water, please?
Can I have a bottle of water, please?
And what if you don't want ice in your drink? You can simply say, Can I have it without ice, please?
Can I have it without ice, please?
Wow, you're doing really well. We've already practiced a lot of useful restaurant English, and we're not finished yet.
If you're enjoying this shadowing practice, make sure you subscribe to the channel. We create simple and practical English videos to help you improve your speaking and listening skills.
And remember, don't just listen to this video. Speak with us. The more you speak, the more comfortable English will feel.
All right, let's get back to our restaurant. Our food should be coming soon.
Wait, Ethan. I have one more question about my meal.
What is it?
I want to know if the meal comes with fries.
That's easy. You can ask, does this come with fries? Does this come with fries?
And what if you don't want the side that comes with your meal?
You can ask if you can change it. Can I have fries instead?
Can I have fries instead?
We also need some napkins.
Could you bring us some napkins, please?
Could you bring us some napkins, please?
And because we're sharing some food, we might need extra plates. So, could we have some extra plates, please?
Could we have some extra plates, please?
Okay, now we wait.
I'm trying to be patient. How long have we been waiting?
Maybe 10 minutes. That's not very long.
It feels long when you're hungry.
Fair enough. If you're wondering when your food will arrive, you can ask, How long will the food take?
How long will the food take?
That's a very useful question.
And if you've already been waiting for a long time, you can politely say, we've been waiting for a while.
We've been waiting for a while.
If you're still not sure about your order, you can ask the waiter to check it. Could you check our order, please?
Could you check our order, please?
Wait,
What?
I see our food.
Finally. Our food is finally here.
Our food is finally here. Wow, Emily, look at this food.
It looks amazing. And it smells even better.
Let's practice that phrase. It smells really good.
It smells really good. Okay, let's taste it.
Mm.
Well,
It's really good.
this tastes great.
This tastes great. I'm really enjoying this meal.
I really like this dish. I really like this dish.
I think I found my new favorite meal.
Really? Would you order it again?
Absolutely. I'll definitely order this again.
I'll definitely order this again. Ethan, everything is great.
But,
My food is cold.
oh no, that's not good.
I don't want to be rude, though. How can I tell the waiter politely?
You can simply say, I'm sorry, but this is cold.
I'm sorry, but this is cold. And then I can ask them to warm it up.
Exactly. Could you heat this up, please?
Could you heat this up, please? That's much better than getting angry.
Exactly. When there's a problem, stay calm and speak politely.
Okay, Ethan. Now I'm completely full.
Same here. That was a great meal.
I think it's time to pay.
Could we have the bill, please?
Could we have the bill, please?
Now we need to decide how we're going to pay.
I'm going to use my card.
Then you can ask, can we pay by card?
Can we pay by card?
And if two friends want to pay separately,
They can say, can we split the bill?
can we split the bill?
There's one more thing you might want to check.
What's that?
The service charge.
Is the service charge included?
Is the service charge included?
That was a really good meal.
It was. Let's practice a few final expressions before we leave. If you enjoyed your food, you can say, everything was delicious.
Everything was delicious.
And if the waiter was helpful, don't forget to thank them. Thank you for your help.
Thank you for your help.
We can also tell the waiter that we enjoyed our meal. We really enjoyed the meal.
We really enjoyed the meal. So, Emily, would you come back to this restaurant?
Definitely. The food was great, the service was good, and I really enjoyed our time here.
We'll definitely come back.
We'll definitely come back.
Amazing job. You just practiced 50 useful English expressions for a restaurant.
But let's finish with a little challenge. This time, we're not going to give you the sentence immediately.
We're going to give you the situation and you try to say the English sentence yourself.
Imagine you're entering a restaurant with one friend. You need a table for two. What would you say?
We'd like a table for two, please.
Excellent. Here's another one. You're sitting at your table, but you don't know what food to order.
What can you ask the waiter?
What do you recommend?
Perfect. One more.
You finished your meal and you're ready to pay. What can you say?
Could we have the bill, please?
Great job. Remember, shadowing is not about being perfect.
It's about listening carefully, repeating often, and becoming more comfortable with English.
So don't practice these sentences only once. Come back tomorrow and practice them again.
And the next time you visit a restaurant, try to use some of these phrases in real life.
If you enjoyed this lesson, don't forget to subscribe to our channel.
And tell us in the comments, which real-life situation should we practice next? Shopping, travel, hotels,
Or maybe English for job interviews?
whatever you choose, we'll practice it together.
Keep listening.
Keep speaking.
See you in the next video.